Today, I am going to discuss the subtle difference between line coverage versus statement coverage. I will be using the Parsec C++ Test Professional, which is a tool for static and dynamic analysis of C++ programs in safety critical domains. I'm going to use the print sum method here, and I'm going to use this Excel file here with one row containing the input data into the function call A is 5 and B is 5. I will run this function under test, and the Parsec tool is going to give us the coverage measurement. From the coverage report, we can see that it has a line coverage of 80%, a statement coverage of 80% also. The rest of the other type of coverage are blank because I disabled them. If the line and the statement have the same measurement, what is then the difference between line and statement? I will delete the result of this first run. Then I'm going to modify the code a little bit and then execute it again. I will delete the new line separator. What's going to happen here is when A is being compared, if it's equal to 42, which is not because A is 5, by the standard of line coverage, it erroneously also think that result equals 1 has been executed because they are at the same line. And that is where it differs from statement coverage. To see it in action, I will run another test with a slightly modified code. We can see now that in the coverage report, line coverage mistakenly gave us coverage of 100% despite this one that I highlighted here has never been executed, but because this if check has been executed trying to to compare A against 5, it also considered this result equals 1 also executed. And you can see now that line coverage is not very smart in these kinds of things. And you can also see the statement coverage is the better one. The statement coverage understands the free-form nature of C and C++. That is all for now.